Hi, my name is Aaron Marcus, and breaking in and advancing an acting or commercial modeling career can be really tough. I know. I started off completely on my own, and I've been very fortunate that I've learned how to make my living as an actor and a commercial model for over 30 years now. I've booked over 1,200 jobs, my latest being getting cast in an NBC pilot that I shot in Atlanta last week. And I'm really excited about bringing my Book the Job workshop to Baltimore, Maryland on May the 11th. I do this twice a year. And I'm going to be sharing with you specifically what I do on a daily basis, how I prepare before auditions, techniques to use during auditions, how to create effective headshots, how to put together commercial photos that will grab the attention of industry professionals. You're going to learn everything from figuring out your type through exercises we're going to be doing. I'm going to have a practice audition for a TV commercial. You're going to learn very specific techniques for auditioning for commercials, which are different than other types of projects. We'll have a practice go-see. You're going to learn techniques to use when working with a still photographer. And I've got two incredible guest speakers. One is a commercial photographer and a headshot photographer. The other person, you can read all about them below. The other person hires actors for voiceover work. So if you've ever had any thoughts about breaking into the voiceover world, you've got to attend this workshop. I will have a limited amount of seats available, so use the link below to register and save a seat. If you have any questions at all, feel free to email me at Aaron, Aaron, at howtoactandmodel.com. But you're going to get a chance to really learn the specifics of how to have success in the industry, even shooting auditions from home, how to market yourself and get work on your own. It's going to be an incredible day. So use the link below, register today, save yourself a seat, and give yourself your best chance to have success in the industry. I'm Aaron Marcus, and I can't wait to work with you soon. See ya.